Good mid-afternoon, 4:08 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Wednesday, September 25th, 2024. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So I'm doing a quick update here. My son's doing his physical therapy like some of you are used to on Thursdays at about 4 p.m. until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I want to do a technical analysis and a little update on what the XRP whales are doing, as XRP's fallen below a very critical level here. And we made a big deal about it yesterday because if we fall back into this formation, there's a very real chance that we could fall back through not just 57 cents, it's like 57.34 in current times, but come all the way down and create what looks like it's trying and possibly could be coming down here to back test here again. That 2018 resistance as a newfound support here after 6.5 years, but also it could create that big inverse right arm here on the inverse head and shoulders. So that's my speculation. If it can't break out of this short-term consolidation that we see in front of us right now, with a fake out to the top side, and that came up to the cup and handle resistance, which is also the falling channel. The fact we got a rejection there could it could push us bearish. Now we do have a golden cross here in like the 3 hourly, the 4 hourly. If we take a look at like the weekly time frame, you know, we can't just say, oh, it's going to rotate down. But I can tell you on the weekly, if it comes down any farther than this, we could very well find ourselves by the end of the week down here at 56, 57, 55, maybe even 52. So we're in a very critical spot here. Now, adding to a little bit of the uncertainty amongst XRP holders, or at least the traders or ones that are speculating on it, is the fact that XRP whales have moved 430 million tokens as Ripple Chris Larsen has dumped XRP. Now that's 430 million tokens that have been moved in the past 24 hours. The transaction gained traction emerging shortly after Ripple's co-founder heavily dumped XRP. So we're going to start here. So please hit that like button if you'd like this content to be pushed forward. Show a little bit of respect. I show you respect, you show me respect kind of thing. And it'll help this all go around. XRP whales moved 430 million coins as Ripple's Chris Larsen dumping XRP. XRP whales echoed a frenzy across the crypto market, moving 430 million coins following Ripple's Chris Larsen's massive token dumps. So, in a riveting turn of events, XRP whales have once again taken the broader crypto market by storm on Wednesday. Recent on-chain data indicates nearly 430 million tokens moved by whales, sparking speculations as Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen heavily dumped XRP previously. Meanwhile, XRP price continued to consolidate below the 60-cent level at press time, bringing additional attention to the large-scale transaction. XRP whales active after Ripple's Chris Larsen dumps coins. According to data by Whale Alert on XRP, on the X, whales moved 431.08 million tokens to and from exchanges and unknown wallets in the past 24 hours. These transactions emerging right after Ripple co-founder's massive XRP dumps consisted of accumulation, a dump, and a transfer to unknown wallets collectively. As per Whale data, 30 million tokens worth 17.68 million were accumulated from Bybit by the unknown address RAQXZ7 or ZL. Further, 17.23 million XRP worth 10.16 million was dumped to the SEX bitstamps by the renowned address RZN. And that's a Ripple address. Simultaneously, a staggering 383.85 million coins worth 224 million were moved from the address R4SA1S5PIP to RKUHYCGCU1. These gigantic transactions, in light of Larsen's XRP dumps, have sparked significant discussions across the crypto community. CoinGate Media reported that Chris Larsen transferred millions of coins to SEX's Binance and BitUNIX recently. Aligning with this, the XRP whale transaction sparked enough intrigue to magnetize market watchers. So, how is this going to affect the XRP price performance? Nevertheless, XRP price continued its consolidation below the 60-cent level, gaining marginally by 0.07% while rising to 58.81 cents. The coin's intraday low and high were recorded at 58.24 and 59.49 cents, respectively. Further, the Ripple-backed assets 24-hour trading volume jumped 19% to 1.07 billion today, Moreover, a recent XRP analysis by CoinGabe confirmed that the crypto is consolidating, facing resistance at 60 cents. However, CoinGlass data illustrates a 0.7% jump in XRP's future open interest to 745.55 million. Further, even the derivatives volume today soared 15.52% to 869.62 million. The data has sparked contrasting sentiments about assets' future performance among market participants. In the wake of recent XRP whale data, Chris Larson's massive dumping, and also the SEC's nearing appeal deadline, crypto market participants continue to eye the token extensively. For context, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission deadline for appeal in the final phase of Ripple lawsuit looms to occur in October 2024. Ex-SEC attorneys Mark Fagel and James Farrell highly anticipated an appeal by the regulatory body in the lawsuit ahead, indicating further legal tussles for the XRP community. In addition, it's also worth noting that XRP Ledger readies for a major upgrade aiming to jack up RLUSD deployment on the network. Altogether, recent developments, bullish and bearish, have sparked uncertain speculation on the asset's price ahead. And before we take a look at the chart, before I release this, let's take a look at the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. It's at 59 right now. It's in greed. So this further pushes to the point that we very well could have a retracement coming. And just brace for it. Brace for it. A lot of people are trying to, last minute try to get into the commodities race. A lot of people are trying to get into this and that late. And we've seen a reversal today a little bit. Not anything major, but a lot of people watch things go up, and then once they hit a certain level, it starts to retrace, and then they just ignore it. You should be, if you've not paid attention, and then you see retracements happen of 5, 10, 20, because I expect in commodities we're probably going to get a 15 to 20% retracement at some point here. Just like gold and silver, it's going to have a small retracement. It's not going to be big, but they always retrace and then they catapult. Now with XRP, it's almost like it's the bearer of bad news at all times. Every time we think we're going to catch a break, it's almost as if it's all set up to happen at this time every month. You see the daily time frame is putting in a big reversal here towards the end of the day. It's what we expected earlier today once it came through 58 or 59 cents, I should say. That's why when I put out my short, I said it's a warning, because now we've come into a critical point. You come below that 59 cents, that opens up the door to that lower level. Now, one thing that's trying to hold us right now is the hour and the 200-day. That's the only thing. If we lose that hourly and the 200-day, which it seems likely we will, then you're coming, in my opinion, back down to 57.3 at minimum. Then we can go not just the 52.6, as we know. On September 8th, we created what some would perceive as somewhat of an uptrend. I won't disagree with it. I actually like to do this because then you have the stopgap measure in between. And this would get you at about 55 cents if it ended up doing something like this. And then this new upstand, actually, I think this part runs through. Interesting. See, we would have to look at this like this. That's what I did last time, now I remember. Because I hit the wick before that overall, that came through, and then we use it like this, now I remember. And that can get you to 55 cents, 55.7. So it's not all cut and dry here. Like, do we just come down to 57 if we were to come down? Do we come down a little bit lower? Do we come down, all the way to 52? One thing's for certain, it doesn't look like that upward trajectory it's ready yet. Unless we can get back above 59 cents, then we can start changing the thesis here a little bit. But if you're below this area, it's a problem. Here, I want to clone this. I don't know why it's cloning everything but that, but you know how TradingView is. But if we come down below 57.3, then you got 55.7 on your way to, let's go in current times, 52.24 cents. So, and if we were to break up, then you have that short-term target of 62.8. But right now we're getting squeezed here a little bit. We're getting squeezed by this formation. But until it breaks down, you don't want to overanalyze it, but just understand when it's below that 59 cents, it's a problem. So just pay attention to this. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. That's the options. If it comes down, you got 57.34, 55.76, and then 52.24 are your next three support structures. If we break up, we've got 62.80 over the top, and moreover, We've got the first cup and handle and falling channel resistance at 60.3 cents. And then over the top, we've got the rising channel resistance at 63.97. Make sure to hit that like button so YouTube will recommend this. If you're looking to trade XRP, USA, or around the world, video description below and or pinned comments, or go to my homepage. There's BITUNIX and or HOTCOIN. Lowest spot leverage trading fees. Take advantage of it. Set up your accounts now. Don't wait until you're ready to buy. Set it up before so that you can get used to what you're going to have to do to get the money on there. Yada, 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 and get things straight. I'm going to let this go. Have a blessed day, and hopefully I'll see some of you later.